For this video, I will show you how to add marquee effect on your Shopify. First, on the left corner, click on the three dots and go to Edit Code. Once in, go to Sections, then add a new section. You can name it as Marquee Effect and click on Done. Now you need a code for here, so I have one here that you can copy in the description box. So go ahead and copy it. Then you need to remove this section and paste the code I provided. And click on Save on the top right corner. Once done, you can go back to your store and refresh it. Now on the left panel, click on Add Section on the place where you want to add the marquee effect. And as you can see, it is now added. You can drag it to the top if you want. Then on the right panel, you can customize it, like changing its color. You can also change the size and the speed of it and its direction. You can also add in a text or delete one. Here you can edit what the bar says, and you can also link it. Once done, just click on Save on the top right corner. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.